Our goal in this next problem is to convert a polar equation to a rectangular equation. What we have here is r equals 1 divided by 1 plus cosine of theta. We're going to multiply both sides of the equation by 1 plus cosine of theta. So we get r times 1 plus cosine of theta equals 1. Now what I'm going to do is distribute the r into the parentheses. That's going to give me r plus r cosine of theta equals 1. Now I'm going to isolate the value of this r, and I'm going to get r equals 1 minus r cosine of theta. Recall that there are two tricks, if you will, to converting from polar coordinates to rectangular coordinates. One is to multiply both sides of the equation by r. The other is to square both sides of the equation. In this problem, we're going to square both sides of the equation because on the left-hand side, I would get r squared. On the right-hand side, it doesn't look like I'm accomplishing much, but when I multiply this all out, I get 1 minus 2r cosine of theta plus r squared cosine squared of theta. Now, r squared, you recall, is equal to x squared plus y squared. So I have x squared plus y squared equals 1 minus 2 r cosine of theta is x. And here you could think of this as r cosine of theta all squared, so that would be x squared. I can subtract x squared from both sides of the equation, and I get y squared equals 1 minus 2x. If you want, you can express this equal to 0, and you're going to get y squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 0, and we have our equation in rectangular coordinates.